Alright, guys. So, number 5. Look at number 5. Ooh, look. My right side is not 0, right? What did I say? Right side is always 0, so we will make it 0. So what? You just do opposite operation. Minus 2m, minus 2m, like this. Then you get 0 here, equal m squared minus 2m, right? So I just did it like minus 2m, minus 2m. I did this. Or, you know what? Easily, you can think like this. When you cross equal sign, then the sign change. So look, this is plus 2m, right? So when you move it to the left side, then it turns side. So that turn to minus, all right? So if that make it easier, then you can also use that skill. So look, from here, I have m is my common factor. So I'm gonna factor by m minus 2, right? And let's get zeros from each. So m equals 0 from here, m equals 2, right? And look at number 6. Okay, so for that one, what did I say? You just keep, you don't have 0 on the right side, right? So we need to make it 0. So I'm gonna move this, I'm gonna move that one to the left side. And what happened? When you move term to the other side, they change sign. That was positive, right? So when you move it, that turned to negative 11. When you move this one, that turned to plus 28. This is much simpler, right? So you can do that. And what? We need to find the solutions, right? So let's factor. 28 and 11. 28. 4 and 7, right? 7 and 4 makes 11. So 7, 4, minus, right? So x equals 7, x equals 4, like that. And number 7, what is this? I think this is minus, guys. Wait. No, that's plus, guys. This is plus. Fix it. This is plus. Okay. And let's keep going. So, told you we need to rearrange them. So I'm gonna move this 49, then that will be minus 49. I'm gonna move this plus 3 to the left side, then that turn to minus 3x, right? And I get equal 0 on the other side. And then let's combine the like term. You see this? We have like term here, 17x and minus 3x, right? So just keep x squared here. 17 minus 3, then you get 14 minus 49, right? So you get this one, and then we factor this. So 49 and 14, negative 49. I think this question is like something wrong. That's supposed to be positive. That's supposed to be positive. Oh man. So guys, probably there's some typo. I don't even know what did I type wrong. Let's get rid of this problem. You cannot solve this one. You can't solve this. I'm deleting this question. I'm deleting. But you know what? I just want to say, if you have anything on the right side, you can move it. Then you change the sign. And then you need to combine your terms. Alright? This is not factorable, so we can solve it. But I think that was negative 49. But like for some reason I typed it wrong. Okay, so anyway, let's look at number 8. That's similar. So let's look at number 8. So k squared, you move it to the left side, then what? That turned to minus k squared, right? And then I'm gonna keep this minus 14 and move this one. Then that was minus 3k. So when you move it, that turned to plus. And you have only 0 on the right side. And let's combine the like term. This 2, 3 minus 1, 2k squared plus 3k minus 14. Right? So let's factor, because 2 is not the GCF. We need to do AC method. So I'm going to do 2 times by negative 14. Then you get negative 28. Right? Negative 28. And 3. So what? 7 and 4. Right? 7 and 4. Difference is 3. I got my 2 numbers. And let's write it. K 7, K 3, right? And same sign, so plus and minus, because you want to get minus at the end. So when you multiply, you're supposed to get negative, right? And we divided by what? I'm sorry, why did I write 3? That's 4. So you divide it by 2. Divided by 2, right? Then that one you cannot simplify it, so bottoms up. This one you simplify, then you get 2. So k minus 2 equals 0, like this. And then we're not done yet. You just completed the factoring, right? We need to get zeros. So from here, if you're using shortcut, then what? Opposite sign divided by 2, like that. Opposite sign, so 2. You can get it if you're using shortcut. If you get confused with shortcut, then you can solve it, no problem. 2k plus 7 equals 0. You set it up like this, and 2k equals negative 7, k equals negative 7 over 2. You get the same answer, right? And k minus 2 equals 0, k equals 2, you get the same answer, right? So guys, that's it. So today we're solving quadratic equation by factoring. And look, solving quadratic equation by factoring, then that means there's another way, right? So next class, on Monday, June 1st, you will practice on this quadratic equation, solving quadratic equation by factoring. You will do this, and on Tuesday I'm going to introduce other method to solve quadratic equations, like this. Look at this. I didn't solve that question because that's not factorable, so we cannot factor. Then at this point we cannot solve it, but we can solve this equation in other way. All right, so we will do the other way on next week. Okay, so please have great weekend. Lesson quiz. You know what? My daughter Emily, her favorite toy is Lego. That's her favorite toys. So that's the question. So today's question is lesson quiz. What is Emily's favorite toy? It's Lego. All right, so please answer that one correctly, and you have great weekend. And if there's any missing work, I want you to complete them all during the weekend. All right, please stay safe and have a great weekend, and see you later guys. Bye bye.